Radhe Radhe, beautiful people. Hope you all are doing really well. So, today's homework. So, today's question is in our last session, that is verse 14, Lord Krishna and Arjuna are given some particular names. So, what were those names? So, write your answer in the comment box and I will pin those comments who will answer it right. So, let's start further. According to chapter 1, verse 15, then Lord Krishna blew his conch shell called Panchjanya. Arjun blew his the Devadatta, and Bhima, the voracious eater and performer of Herculean tasks, blew his terrific conch shell called Pandram. Lord Krishna is referred to as Rishikesha in this verse because he is the owner of all senses. So, the word Rishikesha is divided into two parts. First one is Rishik and the second is Isha. Rishik means senses and Isha means controller. So, Lord Krishna is a controller of all senses. The living entities are part and parcel of Him, and therefore, the senses of the living entities are also part and parcel of His senses. The impersonation cannot account for the senses of the living entities, and therefore they are always anxious to describe all living entities as senseless or impersonal. The Lord, situated in the hearts of all living entities, directs these senses, but He directs in terms of the surrender of the living entity, and in the case of a pure devotee, he directly controls the senses. Here, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, the Lord directly controls the transcendental senses of Arjuna, and thus his particular name of Rishikesha. The Lord has different names according to his different activities. For example, his name is Madhusudana because he killed the demon of the name Madhu. His name is Govinda because he gives pleasure to the cows and to the senses. His name is Vasudeva because he appeared as the son of Vasudeva. His name is Devaki Nandan because he accepted Devaki as his mother. His name is Yashodanandan because he awarded his childhood pastimes to Yashoda at Vrindavan. His name is Parth Sarthi because he worked as charioteer of his friend Arjuna. Similarly, his name is Rishikesha because he gave direction to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Arjuna is referred to as Dhananjay in this verse because he helped his elder brother in fetching wealth when it was required by the king to make expenditures for different sacrifices. Devadatta is the name of conch which was given to him by God Indra, who was the divine father. Similarly, Bhima is known as Vikodara, means wolf-bellied because he could eat as voraciously as he could perform Herculean tasks such as killing the demon Hidimba. The term Bhima Karma as an epithet qualifying Bhima is a play upon his name, which means terrible. In his description of Pandava array, Sanjay is very particular to mention even the name of each warrior. Special count Panchjanya was blown by Krishna. So, the particular types of conch shell blown by the different personalities on the sides of Pandavas, beginning with the lords, were all very encouraging to the fighting soldiers. On the other side, there were no such credits, not the presence of Lord Krishna, the Supreme Director, nor the goddess of fortune. So the other side is Kaurava's side. Krishna was named as Madhava, husband of Madhavi, goddess of fortune, and Pandava means Arjun. So here another name is given to Krishna, that is Rishikesha, and Arjun is given the name Dhananjay. So they were predestined to lose the battle, that is Kauravas, and that was the message announced by the sounds of the conch shell.